1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some CCR, Who Will Stop the Rain. Cool, classic song. We're in standard tuning, we don't have that many chords. We got G major. Song is in G, 1, 2, 3. Got E minor. So when the song starts, we wanna, when we go to the E minor, we wanna keep this guy here because that's part of the melody. So you pick 6, 3, 2, and then up. Hit the F sharp there on the way down, and then you pick the same thing on the E minor. Okay, and then we have the verse. It's a G, C, G to start with. C. E minor. Stop the rain. Second verse, G. This verse is a little bit different. Okay, I'm gonna go from G to B minor. So they changed this verse a little bit. Bar 2, 3, 3, 2 to C major. G, C, 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 G, C, 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 G, C, D, minor, and then we have the bridge, which goes G, D, C, A minor, C. Let's do that again. C, and then A minor, C, E minor. Back to verse. G, 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 C, 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 G. Now we're gonna hit that B minor again. G, G, B minor. C to G. G, 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 C, C, G. C, 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 G. And then we have the outro. It's just the same as the intro, with the So that's all the parts. Alright, so let's review. We got the intro with the melody. I think it only happens once, might be two. And then we get the first verse, G, C, G, C. And then C, G, C, G, C, D, E minor. Okay, so that's the verse and the chorus there at the end. And then second and third verse, that's when they go to that B minor. G, C, G, B minor, C, G, and then everything is the same. And then we got the bridge. Perfect. What a cool song. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Be well, stay safe, take it easy.